me tell you about the food, guys.
Yeah, tell me about the food.
The food is unmatched. Like, you don't get this fresh ingredients in America. You know, everything from like even just a simple boiled dumpling or the festival. I had callaloo and ackee and saltfish this morning. And when I tell you that callaloo tastes so different and it was so delicious.
Yeah.
I mean, we get fresh callaloo at the store too.
Sometimes, it's not the
still
same.
Not the same.
Even the one in the can is not the same.
The one in the can is still not the same.
Yeah.
You know, like I don't know if it's. They say it's just water and callaloo, but obviously
there
must be some preservatives in there.
Yeah.
But the ackee was delicious. I can't say the ackee was any different, but
yeah, ackee is ackee for the most part. But it was good.
The callaloo was so good. So good. It's just a different flavor, and I haven't maybe had callaloo in
like that in a while, right?
Yeah.
I can't remember the last time I had callaloo, you know, guys. I can't remember the last time I had callaloo in Jamaica, to be honest, because it's been years. You know, we used to the easy thing with the can callaloo back home in America, so that's what we've been eating for the past years. And then sometimes when we do go to the Caribbean supermarket, we might look up if it's seasonal and find some callaloo sometime throughout the spring or the summertime during the hottest part of the year, right? But it's nothing like this. Like Deandra said, the callaloo she tried some callaloo and saltfish this morning, or callaloo with ackee and saltfish. I mean, I tell her, everything tastes nice, different. The yam, it never too dry, it never too soft, was just right, and it was sweet. And I tell her about the boiled dumpling them this morning. So boiled dumpling them people, yo, me guarantee, well, me not know what them did with it, but like it's because I'm a chef, I pick up on certain things, certain flavor, right? So I'm telling you, what I'm telling you before you know anything I lie, me I tell you, there's a Scotch bonnet pepper. That's a vital ingredient in an authentic Jamaican food, Jamaican cooking. If you don't have the Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, your food is not going to be the same. It seems like they drop the Scotch bonnet pepper in the water when they boil with the banana and the boiled dumpling, the yam and all them something there. So it's when I cut the dumpling this morning in brown stew gravy, I'm going to cut the dumpling and try it. Yo, may I tell you now, it was out of this world, guys. Like, I tasted some spice, you know, sweetness, everything in one. Like, I was like, what the hell is going on? Yo, the food good. Food was so good, guys, but I mean, I have nothing negative to say about this place, about Travelers Beach Resort in Negril, guys, because everything was excellent. The food was excellent. The customer service, you know, even when you just walked in, I mentioned this in the previous video, even when we just walked in, guys, you know, they greeted us like royalties and everything. So, and that's all I'm asking for, because customer service is key in any business, no matter who you are, where you are. If you're not providing good customer service, guys, and the food is good and everything else is good, yeah, I'm not gonna come back. You know, I'm not gonna go back to that establishment, because customer service to me is key, and that's that. Yeah, man. So the food was good. Food was great. What do you say? Awesome. Jaja, people. Me not lie to you know. This is my second day in Jamaica, and me not lie, Jamaica nice. Jamaica sweet. I don't want to go home. Don't want to go back home. Well, this is my home. You know, my first home is in Jamaica. This is my first home. So it's always gonna be nice. Always gonna be nice, guys. And to be honest, let me say, I'm not ready to go back home yet, even though we still have like over a week left. But me already know, so we have to go back home eventually. But I'm not ready for it. And me I think long and hard. I say, matter of fact, me not think again, you know. Me already come to the conclusion, me and my wife, and we are say, yo, we go move back to Jamaica eventually. You know, we know eventually. We know when we're gonna do it. You know, we we know when we already talk about it and plan the date and all of them something there. I know what we need to do and what we're gonna do when we move back. So, you know, that's something to think about, guys, because when you think about it, in America is all nice and sweet and everything, opportunity and all that, but at the end of the day, a peace of mind is the best thing and the greatest thing. If you don't have a peace of mind, you're gonna be miserable for the rest of your life, not care how much money you make. You understand? So I think once you find something that you love doing, you know, and it make you happy, do it. But what makes us happy is being in Jamaica right now and in a Jamaica for the future, right? Yeah, man. So with that being said, what do you think about this, Deandra? What do you have to say about that?
Beautifully said.
Yeah, people tell us she's afraid of the camera, you know, but guess what? She gonna get used to the camera because you don't know, say, we have the camera in our face. Yeah, but on a real though, what do you think about like moving back to Jamaica in the future and like,
I mean,
living in America right now? Like, with America is the land of the opportunity and all that. So, what do you think?
Well, there's no place like home, and you can never ever compare America and Jamaica. Yes, you get the paycheck and everything in America, but you know, life is not the same. You know, life is like wonderful in Jamaica. You know, more simple, less bills, and you know, it's more peace in Jamaica, separate from like crime, but like your daily life at home and on the job and stuff, like, is more peace. And you know, everything, it all depends on the mindset too. You know, it depends on your mindset.
Yeah.
If you have survival instincts,
Yeah.
and you have ambition, you can make it in either world. You know, but what do you want?
So do you think that a person or people can make life in Jamaica, can build a life in a Jamaica? Like, for example, they can start a business. Do you think that there's opportunities here and also growth for people to move up the ladder and all that something there? Like, what do you think about that?
Did you have a life in Jamaica before?
I was young, but yeah, I was living. You know, I was perfectly fine.
You're much older now. You have more opportunities,
more knowledge.
You're more knowledgeable and everything. So, yeah, I believe like if you move back here, you're smart enough to like survive.
Yeah. Not even, no. I don't want to survive. I want to live. I'm gonna live.
Live and prosper.
Surviving is like you're grasping for air and you're like, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. You know, no. True. I want us to live and enjoy, you know, the fruits of our labor and everything.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Yes, guys. So,
how the water feel, by the way?
The water, guys,
warm.
It's no like I think it's what, 6 p.m. somewhere around that right now, and you can see the sunset behind us. You know, the background, guys. This is beautiful. The water, warm and nice, calm, relaxing. Yes, may I say? Let me take a look under the water right now for a second. I'm gonna see what I go on. No, I didn't see, but yes, guys. So y'all see what's going on underneath the water, bikini bottom. Yes, me I say, SpongeBob SquarePants, you know.
What's wrong with you?
Oh God. Yeah, man. But guys, Jamaica sweet, man, and I think anybody, once you have that strong mindset, guys, anybody right now can make it in a Jamaica, because there's opportunities here. But sometimes if you're in the wrong environment, you're not going to see the opportunities that are in front of you. So you just have to have an open mindset and have a goal, have a dream, because every dream can become a reality, guys. So you just have to work hard, put your foot forward, and do the right thing. That's all me I say. But Jamaica sweet, Jamaica nice. Yes, me I say? Yeah, man. But until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for more amazing recipes, more vlogs, more crazy videos. I'm out.